Imagine a partnership so significant, so crucial to the future of an entire industry that it commands an investment greater than 100 million US dollars. That is exactly the story we are diving into today. The highly significant multi-year strategic alliance between Intuit, the global financial technology powerhouse, and OpenAI. This is not a simple software licensing deal. This is a deep strategic commitment, a high stakes investment valued at over $100 million, designed to secure strategic access to the world's most cutting edge generative AI capabilities. The stated ambition for both organizations is monumental to literally forge the future of financial intelligence. When the deal was announced, the market responded instantly. Intuit's stock rose by 3.4%. Why? Because investors saw this partnership as securing a vital long term technical advantage in the race to dominate the next generation of fintech. So, why did these two titans, Intuit, the expert in finance, and OpenAI, the expert in generalized AI, decide to link arms? It comes down to a powerful dual engine growth strategy. For Intuit, the commitment is essential for scaling its export platform strategy, which is centered around its proprietary generative AI operating system or GenOS. Intuit has the financial data, the specialized credit models, and the proprietary AI platform. But to scale its vision to its nearly 100 million customers and businesses, it needs the raw power and scale of OpenAI's frontier models. The goal is simple: combining their deep financial knowledge with OpenAI's scale to give each user a tangible financial advantage. For OpenAI, this is critical validation. The deal confirms their strategy of turning ChatGPT from a fun chatbot into a robust application platform, a transactional front door for high value services. The $100 million deal, multi year contract, provides essential, predictable revenue, which is critical for offsetting the immense capital required to fund their ongoing research and massive compute infrastructure build out. What does this deep integration mean for you, the user? It means your financial life is now embedded directly into the ChatGPT conversational experience. The operational scope covers Intuit's entire ecosystem: TurboTax, Credit Karma, QuickBooks, and MailChimp. We are moving beyond just getting information. The goal is to enable users to take a secure, accurate, and trusted financial actions seamlessly. Think of it like this: you ask ChatGPT a financial question, and suddenly the power of QuickBooks or TurboTax is available securely right within that chat window. Crucially, because this involves sensitive financial transactions, any personalized actions, like applying for a loan or filing a tax estimate, is only executed once explicit user consent is secured. This ensures that while the action is seamless, the underlying data stewardship and privacy boundaries are strictly maintained. Now, let's look under the hood. You might assume that Intuit is just using OpenAI's models, but the real technical foundation, the secret sauce, is Intuit's proprietary platform, the Generative AI Operating System or GenOS. Now, GenOS is the core platform engineered to rapidly accelerate the development and scaling of agentic AI experiences across all of Intuit's products. In the highly constrained financial technology sector, GenOS is the governing body. It ensures that every AI innovation, even those incorporating OpenAI, adheres strictly to the company's commitments regarding privacy, security, and data stewardship. Intuit is also making a very smart strategic move. They are maintaining a polyglot model catalog. This means they use OpenAI's frontier models, but they also use others like Anthropic's Claude, Google's Gemini, and Meta's Llama. This multimodal approach is a crucial approach to minimize dependency on any single LLM provider, effectively hedging against vendor lock in. If GenOS is the entire operating system, it has two critical components: Gen Studio and Gen Runtime. Now, Gen Studio is the lab. It's a dedicated developer sandbox environment where Intuit's engineers rapidly access the model catalog, including OpenAI's GPT models, for refinement and experimentation. But Gen Runtime is the brain, the air traffic controller. This intelligent abstraction layer manages the high stakes decision. When you ask a financial question, Gen Runtime dynamically selects the most appropriate LLM in real time. It might choose an OpenAI model or a proprietary Intuit model. Crucially, it manages the data access and validates the output to ensure accuracy, making sure the response is fully informed by your unique financial situation. This confirms that Intuit's primary innovation is not just the raw computing power from OpenAI, but the proprietary governance and the orchestration layer that guarantees reliability and performance consistency for high stakes financial calculations. Now, this alliance is fundamentally about activating AI agents. So, forget simple chatbots that summarize data. These agents are an advanced application of AI capable of understanding your complex intent and executing autonomous multi step financial tasks. They are goal oriented. OpenAI's models provide the core reasoning for these critical agentic use cases. So, think about the impact. They can handle advanced tax preparation. They can manage payroll and sophisticated cash flow forecasting for your business. They automate the classification of transactions and even automated invoice follow up. For small businesses, automation gives measurable gains in operational efficiency. These agents move beyond answering a question. They execute the financial outcome you need securely and autonomously. Let's look at how this changes your personal financial life, starting with consumers. For tax intelligence via TurboTax, you can get highly personalized assistance, including estimated tax refunds, directly through a conversational interface. And if the question gets too complex, the agent can facilitate scheduling time with Intuit's local human tax experts. For Credit Karma, the agents become powerful matchmakers. Based on your specific spending patterns and existing financial data, they match you to the best credit cards, personal loans, or mortgage options. Even calculating your approval odds, you can take instantaneous application actions right there in ChatGPT. The agents move far beyond data summary to give you complex financial wellness guidance, such as tailored strategies to pay off debt faster or improve your credit score. For small and mid-sized business, the partnership delivers unparalleled operational efficiency. In QuickBooks, AI agents deliver real-time insights into profitability and accounting status. They automate crucial time-consuming functions like payroll management and proactive cash flow forecasting. Through MailChimp integration, businesses can use simple natural language queries to instantly create and send targeted marketing campaigns. Critically, agents can automatically manage invoices and send reminders, accelerating the receivables cycle. And here is the power of the ecosystem. If a QuickBook user asks about a cash flow shortage, the agent can diagnose the issue, immediately identify loan options via Karma, Credit Karma, or suggest a targeted marketing effort via MailChimp, all in one unified. This automation frees up human accountants to move towards providing high value strategic business advisory services instead of just reconciling data. A nine-figure contract always raises the question, how do they make that money back? The answer is value based pricing and premium migration. Intuit is not monetizing this directly by charging per ChatGPT query. Instead, monetization is achieved indirectly. The compelling utility provided by these new powerful AI agents, the efficiency gains, the strategic advice, drives existing customers to migrate towards premium, higher priced, AI enabled subscription tiers or SKUs. Intuit has already proven this model works, having successfully raised prices for QuickBooks subscriptions following initial AI agent launches because customers saw the utility as highly valuable. This alliance is a way to compound Intuit's already strong financial structure by reducing the need for manual inputs and human expert intervention on routine tasks. AI agents lower the cost of delivery while increasing the perceived value, which accelerates Intuit's profit margins and is predicted to compound growth towards 20%. Finally, in high stakes finance, trust is everything. The deployment of AI must be governed. Intuit adheres to strict responsible AI principles, accountability, transparency, and fairness, specifically using AI to help underserved customers achieve financial wellness. The greatest technical risk in this partnership is financial hallucination. If the AI provides false tax or lending advice, the results could be catastrophic. Intuit migrates this or mitigates this by utilizing extensive, specialized financial datasets and deploying several validation techniques through GenOS. This partnership cements Intuit as a fiduciary. They use OpenAI for processing power, but GenOS wraps that output with Intuit's specialized financial domain and compliance framework, meaning Intuit remains the authoritative and legally responsible party. Ultimately, this alliance establishes an irreplicable data driven action moat. Competitors cannot replicate the depth of accuracy and personalization Intuit offers because they cannot easily aggregate the same volume and variety of high fidelity, longitudinal financial data spanning tax, credit, and accounting. Now, I'll leave you with an analogy. You can think of Intuit GenOS as a highly specialized proprietary financial co-pilot system. OpenAI provides the powerful engine, the frontier models, but GenOS is the navigation, the radar, and the collision avoidance system, ensuring every complex financial journey lands securely, reliably, and all within financial rules. That brings us to the end of the session. Thank you so much for watching. Please support our work by joining us as a member. And if you learned anything from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun show. Thank you so much for watching.